Hello, my name is Shel Savage. I will be presenting research done on John Cabot University, Critelli Building, located at Piazza Giuseppe Gioacchino Belli, number 11 in Rome, which is a rather recent construction compared to most buildings in Rome. This is just the beginning of the research for the Critelli Building that will be carried on by the next cohort. Therefore, the surface has been set by our team, including Anna Springer, Judith Voros, Bernat Raz, and Jennifer Lawless, that is set out to answer some of the underlying questions and the changes that occurred to the land before the Critelli Building was built. The overarching question: what was the purpose of the building which previously occupied the site where the Critelli Building now stands and the surrounding area? Bernat will be expanding on the history of this as well. This photo of the boys on the skateboard is on Viale Trastevere and was taken in the 50s. It's right in front of the Critelli Building, so this is a relevant photo to the research. All right, moving along. This is a map found in the Archivio Stato di Roma, Immagino, from 1818, which was before the building of the Critelli Building and before the building of the Ponte Garibaldi. Jennifer will be expanding on the building of the Ponte Garibaldi. This map, however, helps to get a better understanding of the progress of Trastevere and the unfolding history of the building of the JCU Critelli campus. This image is of our beloved JCU campus today. What has been uncovered to this point is that the changes to the river and the buildings of the retaining wall also altered the streets as it's known today. However, Anna Springer will be covering this part of the investigation. These maps were found in L'Impianti de Roma, Volume 3, ed. Amato Pietro Fruttaz, Istituzione Nazionale dei Studi Romani, 1962. Shows the changes in the land after the building of the Ponte Garibaldi. The span from 1891 to 1895 shows the area where the Critelli Building is now and the changes that happened in the duration of that time, suggesting that the Critelli Building was built in that span. This is a close-up of the same maps seen on the previous slide. This presents a visual analysis to get a better understanding of the changes that occurred from 1891 to 1895 and to the land where the Critelli Building was built. The map from 1895 has a similar shape to the current shape of the building today. By doing this visual analysis of the land and the changes that occurred is just the first steps to uncovering so much more. The groundwork has been set for the next cohort to hit the ground running. So the next steps would be to visit the Archivio Storico Capitolinum to obtain more architectural information about the building, and then to continue the research at the Casco Urbano di Roma to get more information basically about the area. And that concludes my presentation. Great. Thank you.